Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust subtitles for Overwatch 2. And to do this you'll need to click on the escape, go for the options, here select accessibility and change to subtitles. Now you can customize them and turn them on or off. So there's game subtitles, you can select to receive only critical gameplay subtitles, critical gameplay and conversations, or everything. Change subtitle size, background opacity, text color, hero portraits if you want to see the portraits, player names. And here also there's video subtitles options which you can turn on and off, and adjust their size with medium, large or extra large. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.